The Hollywood and Vine metro station in Los Angeles serves as a bustling hub within the heart of Hollywood, an iconic district renowned for its entertainment industry landmarks. Situated at the intersection of two historic streets, Hollywood Boulevard and Vine Street, this station embodies the glamour and excitement of Tinseltown. From its platform, commuters can easily access nearby attractions such as the TCL Chinese Theatre, the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and the Dolby Theatre, where the Academy Awards are held annually. The station's architecture incorporates elements of Hollywood's golden age, with sleek lines and artistic flourishes reminiscent of classic movie theaters, creating an atmosphere that pays homage to the neighborhood's cinematic heritage. If you're taking a bus tour of Hollywood with Star Trek Tours, this station is the perfect terminus and will save you on parking headaches. We're only a short distance away at 6735 Hollywood Boulevard.